friends, can you believe that the weather is changing already so quickly? So that got me thinking about all of the yummy stuff that we like to make in the fall and winter here at our house. So I thought I would share with you today an easy recipe for making roasted vegetables. They're great. I mean, I throw them on salads. Really, you could put them in burritos. You could really do anything. So today I have cauliflower, beets, and a sweet potato that I need to eat. I need to do something with it. Head to the kitchen with me. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. I happen to know that my oven is 10 degrees cooler than it should be, so I always have to add 10 degrees. I'm gonna need a lot of garlic for this recipe, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my food processor to chop it. I don't know if you remember in a previous video, I was saying, I think my food processor blade is dull because it wasn't chopping nuts very well. Yeah, well, I ordered a new one and it was dull, all right. It's a nice sharp blade now, so you guys, if you're having issues with your food processor, maybe check to make sure that your blade is actually sharp. I've used a lot of different oils when I roast my veggies. I use whatever's on hand, honestly, and today I had walnut oil, so that's what I used. I would normally use that, or avocado oil, or coconut oil. You can use olive oil. It's not really supposed to be used at really high heat, but I've done it plenty of times and it tastes great. So, I don't know, just use what you've got. Hey, if you guys have been enjoying these videos, look down below and hit the like button and subscribe if you want to, because I come out with a new video every week and it'll let you know. There's a little, maybe it's this way, I don't know, in the corner of your YouTube page, there's like a little bell symbol and it'll have a little red dot next to it. And that red dot means, oh, hey, the people that you subscribe to have a new video. So it'll let you know. In my opinion, it's all about getting it brown enough. See how there's some brown edges on all that stuff? That's what makes it so good. So as with most of my recipes that I'm sharing, this one also is super flexible. Feel free to change it up, use the veggies that you like. You can add spices or herbs. It's really up to you, but honestly, like salt and garlic, I mean, you just can't go wrong with that combination. So try it with your favorite veggies and then try it with maybe some veggies you wouldn't normally eat, because I think you might be surprised.